is Salman with your favorite channel, Comtrix. In this video, I will show you one sheet that I have made uh, for calculating result, making consolidated sheet, and printing the individual sheets. Like you can see the mark sheet for the individual student. So let's go through it. So here we go. Okay, so today's my sheet is in Excel format because Excel is used for mathematical calculations, so it's much better and easier to perform these calculations in MS Excel. So let me introduce you with some sheet areas. So here on the top we have this school name. Under that is name of the sheet, what purpose is for that sheet. So this is consolidated mark sheet, and you can definitely type here term as well, like you can say midterm. Okay, here we go. Here will be the school name. Let's suppose Comtrix. This is my channel name, and here we have roll numbers. It's up to you, whatever you wanna define here. So I'm starting with 1 2 3 4 up to 50. This particular sheet will be for 50 student, and yeah, for 50 students. And here we will write the name of the students. Let's suppose channel. Okay, this is our student name. Here we will write all the obtained marks that are obtained by one particular student, all in one single line. So here we will type these, and you can see there, here we have one formula for sum calculation. Here what we are doing here, we are just calculating all the obtained marks, and then in the next column we are taking the average, you can see the percentage, and next in column it's a grade, like A plus, A, and B plus, B, C plus, etc. So here what have I criteria, I will show you in the formula. F grade is for 33% and below 33. E grade is for 33 and greater than 33. D grade is for 50 and greater than 50. C grade is for 60 and greater than 60, and B grade is for 70 and greater than 70. A grade is for 80, and A plus grade is for A grade is for 80 and greater than 80. A plus grade is for 90 and greater than 90. So you can just see these greater than symbol and equal to symbols. If I miss something, just let me know. I hope I well described it well. So in the next column, calculating percentage of total marks, and in the next it's a class position. Basically this formula, it calculates the position of a particular student in class depending upon the percentage. So here we are calculating percentage, we are taking reference as a percentage, we are taking percentage as a reference for grading students class positions. So here we go. This formula is very complex, so I will not discuss in detail because this is a combination of more than one formulas. Okay, here we go. This is the class standards. This is up to you, you can write it manually, so whatever you want. It doesn't affect any of these columns in this sheet. So next is fine. Yeah, for fine there's some calculation. Suppose one student is absent for 2 papers, 3 papers, so he's missed 1 paper, so whatever that is, so we will calculate fine here. So whenever we are typing A right now, like we type A, it will calculate automatically 20. So here you can type here, this is a fine for absent, that you can define whatever you want. Let's suppose you write here 10. So what will happen if you go up, so it will 10 plus 10 20. So it is automatically calculating 10 fine per one leave, one absent. Okay, so here it will calculate the total absent in exam only. This is for the exam purpose only. It has no any kind of relation with this class attendance, so it's up to you whatever you want to define it, or if you want to leave it, it doesn't matter. So okay, so next here is the some condition that some schools require. These are hygiene, like there are some grading techniques that these schools use, colleges or whatever. So here it is A, B, C, D. It is up to D. So we can select here, suppose A, cleanliness, B, punctuality, again A, homework, and C. So here everything is done on this single sheet. You no need to do anything on the second sheet. So now the main thing, these are our subjects. So definitely we need to define some maximum marks for these subjects, not some, for all in fact. So we need to define the maximum marks for these subjects. So if we scroll down here, then you can find out. For English, let's suppose we are going to give 50 for each subject. And I'm just supposing, I'm not making, it's up to you whatever your criteria is. If your marks are 100, 50, 20, so you can write down whatever you want. This is a class cell. Here you can type the class, so it will display only on the individual mark sheets, not here at anywhere in this consolidated sheet. It will not display anything. So let's suppose we type fifth. This is a class fifth, and here you can write the current date that we are going to display on the individual mark sheet. So this is our total overall structure of the consolidated mark sheet. It's up to 50 students. It's increasable, but you have to definitely drag and increase the formula ranges. So if I scroll to this, so here these are the gradings, okay, that are we using here in hygiene and cleanliness, punctuality and homework. Okay, we are done here. Let's go to next sheet. It's a school name here, school logo, whatever you want. Let's suppose I type here Comtrex. Okay, here we have Comtrex school. Okay, these two things that you have to define manually. So mark sheet, okay, and logo you can replace of your own. Okay, here is student's name. We don't need to do anything because here already I have applied the VLOOKUP formula here also. So as I mentioned before, the class, it will automatically get from the main consolidated sheet. If we double click here, we can see it is showing our reference to consolidated sheet and cell number F85. And if we go here, so here it is F85 and our sheet name is consolidated. Okay, so let's move to the again individual sheet. Okay, this subject list, it is automatically generated from the previous sheet, consolidated sheet. From here, if you make any change here, then automatically this change will reflect on the next page. Like let's suppose if you type here and this these subjects, these are also coming from where? Here. So if you write here English grammar, so scroll down, it is English grammar here updated also, and here also, next sheet also. These marks are received from the previous sheet with the formula same as the subjects are received. So nothing need to do here, it will automatically generate. Here we have same VLOOKUP formula. uh, to get the marks, obtained marks of the individual student. And here also we are calculating the percentage of individual subject. Suppose somebody gets the marks in English, and it will calculate English percentage separately. Overall it will definitely calculate at the end, but here this is per subject calculation of the average and the grade. It will also display the grade of in particular subject. So okay, so everything is done here. No need to update anything here. Hygiene, cleanliness, punctuality, homework, everything is displayed here. And as I mentioned earlier, this is the date that we entered in a consolidated sheet. So I just need to little bit format it. Okay, down. So here what it's doing, it is calculating these total marks. In fact, there is one formula. It is calculating from not from the consolidated sheet. It is calculating here on this sheet, this marks sheet. So this sum have no reference with the consolidated sheet. So for why I created this one, because sometimes we need to create one individual sheet. We just want to print the blank sheet. So for that case we can put our desired values here, then we can print out. So only for that purpose I have calculated this sum formula here. Here it will calculate to obtain marks that we receive from the consolidated sheet, and here we will calculate percentage, and here it is the overall grade of the student. So let's suppose we just fill up 1 or 2 columns for one student. Okay, okay, so here we go. Now you can see here that these values are automatically calculated. So this is total of all obtained marks, and this is percentage. This is the overall grade of the particular student, and this is the class position. Now see, you can see he got 57 he got 57%. So definitely he will stand first in the class. And the other guy who is at 53%, he got second position, and the remaining all are at third position. And here definitely we will fill out, as this is brilliant student, so we will give him good marks. But it's not compulsory, because sometimes these brilliant students do not have good hygiene, good punctuality, and these qualities. But it doesn't matter. This is just for example. Don't take it serious. Just okay. So here we are going mark sheet. Okay, so we have already entered the maximum marks. Yeah, exactly, it's done. Okay, now we have first student on roll number 1. Enter. Yeah, here we go. Com channel and English grammar 20, Urdu 45, math 35, science 20. So let's match it with consolidated sheet. So 20, 45, 35, 20. So these are the same grading and the percentage of a student in a particular subject. These are the grades in particular subject. This is the hygiene, cleanliness, punctuality, and homework grades. So this is the overall maximum marks. This is the sum of all obtained marks. This is percentage, and here we have the grade D. So here we go. These are the all detail that we need to print here. So you can just go click Ctrl P, and it will display you print previews. You can see it is just single page, and definitely it will print on A4 page. And in this this is a print preview of our mark sheet. So if we type 2, so it will automatically get the result of roll number 2. So this is the all that I have done for today. Definitely it took too much time, but now I'm happy that this will help it some way, because a lot of people asking me, my colleagues, my friends, and some of my family people, because they are in school, so they ask me to help in this matter. So I have prepared this sheet, so I will upload it on my website link. So I will show the link here, so you can download it and you can use it as you want. So you are free to make any kind of changes, and if you need some kind of change from my side, so definitely I'm here to help you. So thank you, and thank you for your time, and thanks for bearing my English. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel, because this will really help me, and definitely I need your help to grow my channel, and it supports me a lot. Thank you, take care, bye bye,